This is what it looks like from the water pulling up on it. Can't really see it too good here, but there's a fishing dock right there. Not really sure what you catch here, maybe some panfish, but yeah, this is the dock, the boat ramp, decently wide, enough space on each side. They got some cleats. They have some rod holders here that someone broke, and the boat ramp's in good condition. It's not got a bunch of potholes and bumps in it. And yeah, I'm just gonna move up here and get my boat moored up, and then we'll walk around up there. So we got the trailer back down. It gets deep pretty quick. There's an end of ramp sign right here, but for me, I can get the fenders underwater like well before the end of ramp sign, which is good. So yeah, pretty straightforward. You park off to the right and you back down and get your boat. So as soon as you pull out of the ramp, off to the right here, this is where your parking is gonna be. So you'll pull in this road, you'll come in, and you'll keep to the right. And you're keeping to the right. Off to the right here, they have some restrooms. Looks like some park benches for some campfires. Restrooms. Then you follow it to the right along through here. You're going. There's a place for you to park right here if you just want to hang out. There's nothing really going on in the middle over here. I'm not really sure what they're doing with all that, but you just follow this down. A little bit of potholes here because it's a dirt road, but you can also park right there, and there's the fishing pier. And then, yep, you just go on up and back down, and there's your parking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the boat ramp. Pretty good boat ramp. It's just way back in the sticks. It's way out here. So be prepared for a nice quiet drive through the woods if you're wanting to launch over here at Brice's Creek Boat Ramp. And thanks for watching Fishing with Austin. Until next time, this is your latest boat ramp review. Thank you.